Very recently, I came across these really trendy scrunchy headbands on Pinterest, and I thought, oh, let's have a go at recreating these headbands. But then, if you're not following me on Pinterest, do not forget to follow me, link in the description box below. The twist to it is, would we be able to make them without actual plastic headbands on the inside to give them that structure? If we add an elastic to it, would we still be able to keep the scrunchy effect? Well, let's have a go and see if we'll be able to do that. All the measurements you need for this task are on the screen, so take a screenshot now.